Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. As you may have seen in our previous upload, the good old apology video, this is our boy Flynn. He's new. Oh, that's a weird thing that phone does. Anyway, yeah, this is Flynn. He's from HR, but he's a little rascal, and now he's down here with us. So anyway, we did a little prank video that should be up or will be coming up soon. But anyway, we decided that we're gonna have a little more fun. So Flynn, move that air conditioner. Move it over there. Put it in
Lift it.
Put it in that chair. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I don't know. It looks like it's gonna fall. Move it back. No, I mean like move it back to where it was. There we go. That's the ticket. I don't know, I feel like that. It's kind of in the way though. It's kind of in the way a little bit. It's kind of in the way a little bit. I mean, move it.
Where?
I don't know. Over there or something. How's that leg holding up? It's a good prank, right?
It's just wonderful.
Yeah, good prank. Move it back to where it was, actually. I don't like it there. It's in front of that door now. So I want to be able to get in there. I don't know. I guess that's fine.